Goat Gold Getter here. I got my buddy, he's holding the camera. He's being a nice gentleman. I'm just digging for some gold here. Well, panning, I mean, sorry. Look at this. This is the motion you want, and then you just repeat it. Motion, repeat. Right? And then you want to get to the last bit. And then you go like this. And then there should be some gold down there. I just did a test look and there was some gold. And then, so I'll show you all the gold here. So look at, there's one there, one there, one there, one there. Okay, that's it. I'll just shut her off after I'm done this. Oh, there was actually 5. Here.
Good.